In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to cart buy and ship from 1688. We'll start by creating your account on 1688. You can register with a mobile number. Having a China number tends to work best, or you can work through a buying agent, which many beginners find easier. Because the site is in Chinese, turn on your browser's translate feature, or use Google Translate so every button and field is clear before you proceed. Next, let's search for products. The most powerful tool is image search. Upload a photo of the item you want, and 1688 will find visually similar listings from manufacturers and wholesalers. If you prefer text search, translate your keywords into Chinese for better results. For example, type hair curler as Huan Fachi to surface more accurate listings and pricing. When you find a product you like, open the listing and review the details carefully. Choose the variations such as color or size, set your quantity, and then click Add to Cart, which appears as Jia Ru Go Wu Cha. You can repeat this across multiple stores so everything is ready in one place before you pay. To place your order, go to your cart, select the items you plan to buy, and click Checkout, labeled Jie Swan. On the confirmation page, double-check price, quantity, and supplier information. Make sure any notes like model numbers or color codes are correct so the warehouse receives exactly what you expect. Now for shipping, which is important. 1688 sellers typically ship only within China. That means you either use a freight forwarder or a buying agent. With a forwarder, your parcels go to a domestic China warehouse, then the forwarder consolidates and ships them to the Philippines. With a buying agent, they place the order on your behalf and handle payments and shipping end to end. Many newcomers start with an agent to avoid setup friction. For payment, common options include Alipay and WeChat Pay. If you don't have those, agent payment is straightforward since you pay them in your local currency and they settle with the supplier. Direct payment can be tricky without Chinese accounts, so choose the route that's easiest for you. Here's how shipping to the Philippines usually flows. The supplier sends items to the China warehouse. The warehouse consolidates multiple parcels, and everything is shipped by air or sea. Air generally takes about 5 to 10 days. Sea runs about 15 to 30 days, depending on volume and schedules. Finally, track your order using the supplier or forwarder's tracking numbers and dashboards, and keep an eye on status updates until delivery.